MarineMax difference to me is stability, consistency, professionalism. The work environment here at MarineMax has always been around supporting our customers in the boating lifestyle.
The amount of team members that I've had here for some of them for 18, 20 years plus. We all know our customers, and we get these customers and keep them because they know us and they know they can always reach out to us.
I like to work at MarineMax because most everybody back there is family. They've been here as long as I have, and if not longer. The largest dealership, biggest service network. It's a big deal to have the family that we have here.
The difference working at MarineMax is we have so many resources. We get to help people have fun and make great memories. We spend a lot of time with our customers out on the water and all of our coworkers.
I like working at MarineMax because of the amount of resources that the company has. We can get products out of any other store, ample inventory in our store here in Charleston. The resources are endless, from yachts to whatever we need.
I like working at MarineMax because I am passionate about boating as a recreation. I grew up doing it myself. It's one thing that I think makes the Charleston area such a special place to live. The biggest difference between working at MarineMax versus other dealerships is the relationship beyond the sale. We really have a very positive relationship that really becomes more of a friendship with our clients.
Then the expertise we have, the years of experience and expertise, the depth of resources is clearly unequaled in the industry.
Working for MarineMax, you've got a lot of support. We're established. We're not going anywhere. We're here to take care of any need that a customer would have.
I like working at MarineMax because people here are like family to help customers from point A to point B, from the problem starting to us fixing the problem and getting them back out in the water.
I think MarineMax work environment is very, very positive, very, very customer-centric. I think we do our best to help customers enjoy the products that they've bought.
I've done it all. I mean, I've started at the bottom. I've run a travel lift, forklift, ran boats, rig boats. The atmosphere you're in, the environment, the benefits are great.
I get to see a wide variety of boats that come into the shop, work with some of the best boat manufacturers. I would recommend working for MarineMax. It's a great environment. We have a great team here in Charleston.
Well, anybody can sell and service boats to one degree or another. MarineMax has taken it to a whole nother level. They support the boating lifestyle better than any other company out there.